Hi, I'm Ron Bloomberg, Managing Partner at Bloomberg Law Group LLP, and I have some legal concepts I'd like to share with you today. Premises liability involves both residential and commercial properties. Whether you're an owner of a residential property or commercial property, there are going to be people out there who are going to want to sue you. And believe me, in California, they'll find a reason to do it. Don't assume just because you're not living there or you don't work there that you're not going to have liability if somebody wants to sue you if something happens on the property. A homeowner, if you're not living there and you have a tenant, and that tenant, let's say, has a dog, you're going to be responsible for that tenant. It's all the same concepts, whether it's commercial or residential, that you have a duty as the owner or manager of that property to take reasonable steps to keep your property reasonably safe. Well, what does that mean? It means whatever a jury is willing to say it means. So you have to be very careful, be very diligent about managing your property, inspecting your property. And some of the things that you can do really to help yourself is to be active, be proactive, go to your property. A lot of landlords I know, and I represent a lot of landlords, residential landlords and commercial landlords, and they think because they have a tenant that they don't have to inspect or that they shouldn't inspect. And I say the exact opposite. If you're not there, you need to be inspecting more often because you don't know what that tenant is going to be doing. You have to make sure that you're there somewhat regularly. A perfect example of this is recently here in San Diego, there was an owner of property who had his house completely destroyed because his tenant was making bombs in the property. And he's coming back saying, hey, you can't do that. And the answer is, of course we can. And there were several reasons why they could do that, but primarily, he was not managing his property. He was allowing something extremely dangerous to be happening on his property. And if somebody got hurt, he'd be responsible. It happens all the time. For more free information and strategy, visit our website at www.bloomberglawgroup.com.